Welcome back to the channel. I recently tried the latest distribution ranked on Distrowatch over the past 6 months, and I must say, I was expecting something underwhelming. Instead, I was pleasantly surprised. Nitrux is a rolling release distribution based on Debian and Ubuntu, focusing on the NX desktop, which is a deeply customized version of KDE. I have to admit, their work makes sense. It's both original and visually appealing. What sets Nitrux apart? At first glance, the application panel menu integrated into the top KDE panel is reminiscent of Unity and macOS, and this design choice feels well thought out. The menu itself echoes the same concept found in GNOME Shell, making the desktop environment feel like a hybrid between GNOME and KDE. On a deeper level, the use of AppImage and the adoption of advanced technologies like OpenRC instead of systemd and Firejail for application sandboxing are noteworthy. Nitrux is an original project that seeks to integrate and harmonize different interface concepts and various technologies. Considering that, while browsing GitHub, I found out that the distribution is maintained by only 4 people. I'm genuinely impressed. However, I wonder why they haven't created an About page to make everything transparent. This is a common trait of many smaller projects managed by just a few individuals. All in all, I encourage you to give Nitrux a try. It's worth it. I didn't encounter any hardware recognition or setup issues, but I've read that some users have. It uses Calamares as the installer, so it doesn't cost anything to try it out in live mode. Thanks for watching.